Triumph app strategy: how to make the most money. Basically, a recap or somewhat a reminder, Triumph app is a real money gaming platform where players compete in skill based contests for cash. So, if you're serious about maximizing your earnings, you want to focus on smart timing, efficient gameplay, and careful bankroll management. So, we have the top tips or strategies that will help you maximize your earnings. So of course, one of the first things you're gonna have to put in mind is you can focus on your best game. So when you're starting up, you could always go ahead and try as many games as possible and try sticking to the top two or top three games that you are best at. Whether trivia, puzzles, or reaction based games, the more you specialize, the better your reaction time and accuracy get over time. So focus on main games. And if you're exceptionally good in those games, you could try more and more eventually. So try focusing on one skill at a time. You can also try joining small entry matches. Start with lower entry fee contests where competition is lighter. These small matches often offer a better win ratio than big, high stake games unless you are very confident in your skills and you actually have the skills to prove it. So, watch patterns and player tactics as well. You can observe how top players move or react in these matches, as many use timing and speed techniques that will allow you to mirror it in future rounds. So you can also try playing during off-peak hours. This will allow you to match with fewer skilled players that are active late at night or early in the morning. Competing at these times increases your chance of easy wins, but that pretty much depends on where you're from. You can also try using Triumph's bonuses and daily rewards. Manage your bankroll smartly, set a daily spending limit, and reinvest only from winnings. These can extend your playtime without extra spending as well. So avoid chasing losses, play smart, and not emotional. Upgrade to verified accounts as well, since this can unlock higher prize pools and faster withdrawals. So refer and earn as well, since Stripe often runs referral bonuses from inviting new players. Share referral link on gaming groups or Discord communities to earn passive cash. You can also try checking events and tournament schedules. Participate in these. They usually have boosted rewards. So follow Triumph social pages for announcement. Even withdrawing can be done strategically, so you can avoid frequent small withdrawals if you play a lot. So wait until you've built up a larger balance, since some apps charge minor fees or processing delays for frequent transactions. But those are multiple strategy or tips to pretty much help you make the most money out of Triumph. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.